All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to bring you some cases from Ringke and tempered glass from Ringke. They were kind enough to send these items over for me to review for you and put on the device and test them out. So we're going to start with the screen protector. So this is obviously Ringke's new setup here, the Easy Slide, and it actually is really easy to put on. I'm going to demonstrate it right here in this video for you. Just get it out. It comes with a cage and everything. This is a 2-pack, so if I make a mistake, I'll be able to do another one. But this is so easy. It's kind of hard to make a mistake. You get 2 of these right here. Here's the first one. It's already inside of the cage here. And then here's the other one here. So if you have multiple Galaxy S25 Edges, you can have one for you and your spouse. All right, so I'll put this aside here. And then put one of these aside. And then here is the first one. So this is a really simple process. You just pull that down and then boom, you're done. Really, that's all it is. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean up the edge. Now this is a matte screen protector on here, so I'm going to remove that. You get your microfiber cloth. You get your wet wipe, dust removal, and you get a squeegee. So let's go ahead and put this all aside here. Let's get this tempered glass off first. Or excuse me, this matte screen protector. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and clean this just because this is you might not have a screen protector on yours already. So I'm just kind of doing this as though, you know, the average person is putting this on here. Got to get it clean. And then we'll use their microfiber cloth here. These tend to have a lot of dust afterwards, but they've upgraded theirs, looks like. So it's not as much that loose little fibers that's on there when you're using these. Not so much anymore. It's getting better. Things are getting better. So now I'm going to hit it with the dust removal tool. I won't need this squeegee more than likely, but I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the dust removal tool. So just in case you end up losing your cage, there's stickers on here. There's guide stickers to help you guide it if you lose your cage or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the dust removal. And then I'm going to slide it in the cage right there and then hit number 1, and that's it. And that's going to be it, folks. It doesn't take very long. It lines it up for you. So all cases and everything will work perfectly fine for you. Let's put the cage on like this. There it is. And then you'll pull number 1 down, and that's it. I'm going to put a rag on the table here so it can kind of stay up in there. Give it some grip so it's not kind of sliding around, because you can see it's already kind of sliding out. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and pull number 1. There we go. And you'll see that it's adhering. It's just that simple. And I always kind of let it sit for a little bit. These bubbles you see are probably also from the plastic. So we're going to lift it up. You should see the glass adhere. There it is. It's on there. Just like that. I mean, that has got to be the easiest install. And it was perfect, actually. There's a little bit of air right here. But again, after 24 hours or instantly like that, it's all gone. So perfect, man. This is the new cages that companies do are really nice. Let's check that screen or fingerprint reader. I'll probably have to set it up again. But also I want to go into settings here, and I want to go down to display. And I want to make sure touch sensitivity is increased because of the screen protector. So you scroll all the way to the bottom and you make sure that is on. So let's see. So it's kind of misreading that finger, but I'll get it set up again. So yeah, that's fine. It's good. There it is, man. Ringke tempered glass install. Now let's move on to some of these cases and try them on for you here. So So the first one I'm going to try on for you is the Fusion Magnetic for the Galaxy S25. And this is the Edge, and this is the clear version. You get some instructions in here. Nothing you've never seen before. It's just talking about removing this material here. Just like that. And then you'll pop it on. This clear is actually really nice. And then you hit this back. There it is. Wow. That is a good looking case. Very strong. I really like this. This is actually pretty cool. All right. That is nice. Now you're going to want to see some MagSafe technology here. So there you have it. Their magnet game, man, it's this strong. Their magnet game has really improved over the years of them using and adding this technology to their cases. It's actually really good. So you've got front lip protection on here all around. It's very faint, but it is there. And these corners are raised for each. So if you don't have a tempered glass and you sit it down like that, you'll still be protected. Yeah. So let's try on another case here. This is the Onyx in black for the S25 Edge. And obviously the Onyx is one of the most popular cases ever. I think this might be their bread and butter. As you can see here, the MagSafe technology, and this one is a little different because it's a solid color on the back here. So let's go ahead and peel this off. And we'll put this aside and we'll pop on this black one here. Oh, that's beautiful. Really hugs the camera modules on here, like a lot. Oh, we don't want to do emergency. It really hugs the camera modules a lot on here. This black looks really good on here with the outline of the different color of the camera rings. Really nice. I mean, the Onyx is the top of the line case for them. And if I recommend any case from them, it's going to be the Onyx because it's so grippy. And this is a thin foam still. And so the case isn't adding any bulk to it. Again, you can probably see the definition in the highlight on the corners there for the lip around the case. Yep. Very strong. So if you have little hands or you're a person that just likes pop sockets or just these little pop-ons on the back, there's also batteries and stuff like that. I have batteries, have a bunch of different accessories for that. So it's just up to you to determine which one you like the most. But there it is. Now let's pop this off. Let me show you probably one of my favorite cases from them. And obviously it is the Onyx. It's just the Onyx camo. Oh man, this has got to be the sexiest. I mean, the sexiest case they make. Same case. You can get it with and without the MagSafe, and they would have me testing this one without the MagSafe, but you can get it with and without. Oh, I forgot I had the camera modules on there. That's why it was so tight. Yeah, now the camera modules are gone. I knew something was up. I was like, this is a snug fit. Isn't it funny? Look, it came out with the case. It came out with the case, man. I'm going to leave it in there like that, too. Oh, my gosh, that's funny. I was wondering what was up. All right, now let's pop this one on. And it's a lot less in there. Okay. I was like, man, those are the bloopers and stuff like that I love to leave in there. Check that out, man. I forgot that I had put camera modules on the S25 Edge. Well, at least you know they'll work. They'll probably just pop off if you do a case like this. It's going to be kind of snug. But with the raised lip around, a ring around the cameras there, you don't really need them. I just like them for some reason. But again, you got lip protection all around on each corner, which raises it up off of the table like that. So there you have it, folks. Tempered glass install. 3 cases here. You just can't beat the quality that Ringke will do for you. And it's all affordable. You can get all 3 of these cases. You feel in one way one day, you wear this case. You feel in a certain way another day, you wear this case. You want to go all in, you an ex-soldier like myself, you wear that case. Shout out to my boy Soldier Knows Best. But yeah, man, this is all in. This is nice. It's your man Jay. Link to purchase Bumpy Cam will be down in the description. And I see you in the next video. Take care.